Good morning, YouTube family. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I'm making Leon a supper. He's coming home today and I'm so excited. One of the sides that I'm making is bacon wrapped green beans with cream cheese. I thought I would show you how I do this. I do this sometimes and it's a wonderful, simple dish. I opened up 2 cans of green beans, I drained them, and then I laid them out on a paper towel so they could semi-dry. I have here 1 pound of bacon and also an 8-ounce block of cream cheese and some toothpicks, salt and pepper. You're going to preheat your oven 350. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to gather some of your green beans, put them in a cluster like this. Then you're going to take a piece of your bacon. You're going to lay your bacon out on a separate pan, and then you're going to set the green beans in the center of the bacon. You're going to fold 1/2 of the bacon. Then you're going to take a small slice of your cream cheese and place it on the other side of the bacon. Then you're going to roll it up all the way to the very end, kind of tight but very gentle. And then you're going to place a toothpick in the center. And that is your first green bean bacon wrap. So you just place it on the pan and then you continue until you use up all the green beans or most of them and the bacon. So I'll show you one more time, kind of a closer view. You just gather your green beans into a cluster. Then you take a slice of bacon. You set the green beans in the center. You fold one side. Cut you a piece of cream cheese. You set it on the right side of the bacon. It can get a little messy, but that's okay. Then you roll your bacon. And then you put a toothpick in the middle. We are completely stocked up in green beans, and this is just a way of just kind of highlighting your green beans and making things a little bit more interesting, very tasteful, and just some ways that you can use your green beans. So I'm going to use some molasses, and I'm also going to use some olive oil to put on the tray. First I'm going to salt and pepper them. Then I'm going to just pour the olive oil in between the bacon, all along the edges of the bacon. Next I'm going to just dribble a little bit of molasses on the top. After that's done, you just stick it in the oven for about 20 minutes on 350. So it's been about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. They look so delicious, and they are delicious. You can plate them up on a platter. You can just lift them up by the toothpick. They come up really easy. And just set them on the platter. You can take the toothpick out of them, they will not fall apart, or you can leave the toothpick in for your guest or your family just to kind of grab. I'm saving one for myself. I know they're already good, but I've got to have one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I love you guys, and until next time, we will see you on the next video. God bless you.